Well, like most commands in gCADPlus, the mirror command can be started in a number of ways, from a drop-down toolbar or from the modify toolbar, or selecting an entity to mirror it. Let's imagine this object here, which is a polygon, 5-sided polygon, represents a piece of stone that's about 450 high. I've set an elevation of 450, and I wanted to mirror it with the mirror at the midpoint of what will become the wooden seat. So let's try the mirror command. I've selected it, so if I right click now, I can pick mirror from the right click menu, and the first point of the mirror line would be the midpoint of that line, and then the midpoint of this line here, and we go bang. Now in fact, if I repeat the mirror command and then right click, you can see I've ticked with copy. So that's why the polygon representing the block was in fact mirrored. Now what I might like to do is use the mirror command again and mirror all objects in that group. What I'm going to do is just draw a construction line, or a line that will work as a construction line here and down at this angle. I've got polar on, so I can click there. That's just a dummy line, because what I now want to do is pick all 4 entities and mirror them, and the first point of the mirror line will be the end of that little construction line. It's not a construction entity, it's just a line, and I'll remove it later, and we can go click. Now because copy was on, all the objects were copied. Notice how the piece of text was also mirrored, and if we select that text now, let's pick here, and we look at backward, no. If we change this to backward, yes, we get the text in readable form, and then all we have to do is move and we are in possession. That was just a demonstration of how text, when mirrored, you do need to play with it a little. So we've now created a little outdoor adult sort of entertaining area, and we can remove those. So that's the mirror command.